Stop using your personal SIM for app registrations. In this video, I'll show you a simple and safe method to create verified accounts in just a few minutes. First, open the website. Here, select your country. When you click on United States, you will see many other countries like Argentina, Turkey, Australia, and more. New countries are updated daily. After that, search for the service you want to register. For example, I want to register ChatGPT, so I simply select ChatGPT. Now click on Get Code. As soon as you click on Get Code, you will instantly receive a number. This is the number. Copy it from here. Now open the ChatGPT website. Here you will see different options. Select the phone number option. If needed, select the same country. Paste the number here and click on Continue. Now add a password that you will use later for login. Click Continue. You will be asked for a verification code. Go back to the website, copy the code received on the number, and paste it here. Click Continue. That's it. Your account has been successfully created. After completing the remaining details, your account is fully ready to use. You can also register many other services here, including social apps and messaging apps. There is also a rent number option for long-term use at affordable prices. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below which service you want to see next. All links are available in the description.